Hi, welcome to Wikiteki and Cash and Product. This is Venkat here. Today, I'm going to talk about the great topic that is cyber security part 2. So we discussed about the part 1 areas with a lot of basic concepts on cyber security. Today, I'm going to talk about the great topic that's user monitoring activities. So we are able to monitor the entire network and the systems in varieties of ways. We are able to monitor the files, the websites, the networks, and apart from the user. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss on the monitoring the user activity. So that is the area we are going to discuss. Let's move on. So these are the four areas I'm going to discuss it today. I'm going to talk about the what kind of user monitoring can be done. Okay, and the second thing is I'm going to talk about the basic concepts of how the real-time monitoring is acting, activities happening. And I'm going to talk about the third area on the type of firewalls needs to be created to block the users from unwanted things, and functional device, what kind of firewalls we are able to create. So these are the four areas we are going to discuss now. Let's move on. Yes, this particular video, I prepared it based on the subscriber comment. And if you got such kind of topics, any topics, please post it in the comment. I'm ready to do it for you. So many companies are looking for Kashu Infotech trained students. If you are a Kashu Infotech trained students, please contact me. I'm ready to help you. Okay, so here is the opening. We got it recently. So we have an urgent opening, recruitment for a company on cyber security, and the salary and the experience and what is the knowledge you got. This is how the companies will request the candidates from the companies. If any of the recruiter or HR or the company people looks into this video, please, I request you people to send your job description to us. We are ready to refer our candidates. We are not going to charge for anything, and the decision is yours whether you can take the candidate or not. It's yours. And you can send the recommend to our mail id venkat.kashiv@gmail.com and kashiv.info@gmail.com. To my Kashiv Infotech course students, if you've done the course in our company, please contact me at any time. And here is some of the openings available currently. Please contact me. I'm ready to send your resume to the companies. In the subject of the email, so please put it as Kashiv Infotech student, course student, and in the resume, what are the courses you have done, at what, when you have done everything, just specify in the resume and send it to this mail ID. I'm ready to refer you people for the openings. And many students, they used to ask me a question like, sir, do you have any corporate laptops with you? So we are giving corporate high performance laptops with the A++++, the best laptops. Okay, and here is the cost and everything. Just check in the internet for the original cost. You are able to see. So divided by 4, that is the cost we are giving. And we are providing laptop with the original charger, with the Dell mouse, screen guard, and cleaning liquid. And here is the contact number to contact me at any time. Okay, let's move on. So I feel proud to share you the great news that myself, Venkat, I'm the Microsoft trained, Microsoft certified, and Microsoft awarded person. Okay, and I got a lot of credentials. You can just check it out, so you'll get an idea about me. So I was recognized, I'm a recognized trainer of Indian government education programs on cybersecurity, robotics, and ethical hacking. I took almost 42 hours to prepare this particular content, people. We work really hard to give the best content. Just see my video, just give me a comment whether you love this video or not. Okay, so if any of you people touch the last point of this particular video, please post in the comments that you reach the last and you watch until the end. So I'll be really happy, because technological videos, not even 5 minutes the people are watching. That is the biggest failure for us. We are getting really demotivated, and I felt one day my people feel the real technological value. Until the day, I'll work very hard so that we'll try to transform the society. And I request you people, please share this video to everyone. Let's transform the society. Okay, and here is my technological channel, Kashiv Infotech. I am running another channel, Kashiv Venkat. This is a interview and a subject wise videos are placed over there, and you got VBS lifestyle, general videos are placed here. Okay, health related tips will be here. So I'm running 3 channels, and if you're interested, just you can subscribe and click the bell symbol if you want. So you can contact me at any time, treat me as a brother, contact me at any time at my Insta account, Kashiv_Infotech. Click this follow button. You can contact me anytime, and my name is Venkat, and here's the contact number to contact me. Okay, I'm looking for a message from you. Okay, cyber security, user monitoring, and firewall part 2, man. That's awesome. Let's move on. So we are going to talk about the firewalls and details now. Here is the concept I'm going to discuss. So user monitoring, why we need to monitor the user. As a cyber security professional, you need to track down, there should not be any mistakes or anything wrong in the company. For that, we have to monitor the users' activities. What kind of monitoring can be done, sir? User monitoring in the sense you are able to track what website is moving on, what he is exactly doing, whether this guy is clicking anything, whether he's typing something, whether he's doing unwanted stuff, whether he's chatting, whether he is working or not, man. So we need to monitor everything. That is where the user monitoring comes in the picture. For that, we need to track down that guy, whether that guy is working or not. Let's take the screenshot of the computer, sir. It's a remote workstation screenshot, capturing the remote workstation screenshot. The second thing is like monitoring the activity of the user, the real-time monitoring, whether that guy is doing or not, man. So let's monitor that guy, a real-time activity monitoring, and generating the report and give it to the manager. That is the role of a cyber security professional. Okay, generating the reports and give it to the give it to the managers and other people. So user activity reports and malicious website blocking the websites. You should not enter. So in my college I got the Wi-Fi campus, sir, but I couldn't access my YouTube, sir. I couldn't access Facebook, sir, because it is blocked using the concept called firewall. That's the one we are going to see in the later of this particular video. Malicious website blocking, and we'll be having productivity tracking. So tracking the performance of the user, of the employee, because this guy is chatting, man, this guy is doing unwanted stuff, man. We need to track his productivity. So that's why your productivity tracking comes to the picture. And the final one is keystroke logging. So keystroke logging in the sense we need to check it out, like what this guy is actually doing. There is a specific tool called IBM Tivoli, you know it or not, I'm not sure. That's one of the awesome tool. It will check out like how much time this guy is logged into the computer, how much time this guy worked in the computer. So they will track everything, whether this guy is typing the coding or not, man, is using mouse or not, man, everything is monitored. So that's how. You may ask me a question, sir, how its monitoring is happening, sir? It can be achieved with the two major things. The one is like deploying a software or installing a software or deploying an exploit or an exe file. Okay, so this is the way we are able to monitor the users. So install the software and monitor the user, or create a exe, a virus, or a spyware, spying them. Okay, to deploy the exploit in the target machine, activate the exploit, spyware, and the spyware will have some program to do a process like capturing screenshot or real-time monitoring or something like that, and the remote workstation is monitored. So this is how the people will try to monitor the system. Okay, so we need to, the thing is like we need to deploy the exploit, or we need to execute an application in the remote computer so that you are able to monitor the things. So we are able to track what they access, how they access, and what the user is doing. Everything we are able to monitor. That's how we are able to do something. And apart from that, like in addition, like the advanced tools will have the tracking or activity monitoring can be done. Even what are the words you are typing it, man, let's get the things done. Keystroke logging, everything. This is very, very important to evaluate the performance of an employee, evaluate the works of an employee, whether that guy is working or not, man. That guy is not typing anything. How come he can do the coding parts? So that is how the people will find it. So this is how you are able to, like the cybersecurity professionals will monitor the network for the development of the company. Okay, and creating the firewall is one of the major thing. It is a way to stop the malicious websites from in and out of the traffic. Okay, sir, I don't want YouTube, like this computer should not access YouTube, sir, and YouTube should not send anything to here, sir. So that is a wall between the computer and the outside world, that is called as firewall. If it is an unwanted request that is blocked and it's a wanted request, yes, it's moving on, man, that's really awesome, man. So you got the unwanted request and the wanted request. Okay, and you can learn lots and lots of ethical hacking and cyber security concepts in this particular in my channel, and these are some of the videos. You can check it out. These are some of the videos. Please check my previous videos to get an idea. You may ask me, sir, I want to become a cybersecurity professional, sir. What can I do, sir? Simple, man. Learn cybersecurity. Is it enough, sir? No. So to get into the job, you need much more things. Build a big profile. Not a small profile, build a big profile, a package. So I'm going to advise you a superb package to you. A Kashu Infotech certified, my company certified application and networking security specialist. Fantastic, fantastic program. So in this program, you are able to learn networking. So what are the networks created, how the computers are connected, and how I'm going to secure the data, your ethical hacking. I'm going to create an application. So using Java or .NET or Python, and you'll be having the database to store the data, either Oracle or SQL Server. So this is how you are able to create this like a technology. So these are the technologies you can learn, and you can expect a salary of 20,000 to 1,50,000 per month. People, cyber security is awesome. Sir, why I need to read multiple packages at a shot, sir? Very simple, people. Very simple. Okay, if you learn multiple packages, sir, I can be a database professional, sir. I can go for a job, database professional, sir. I can be an application developer, a Java programmer, .NET programmer, Python programmer, something like that. And I am a networking specialist, sir, and a cyber security specialist, sir. I can create an application, store the data, move in the network securely. Awesome, man. No one will have the profile. So this is the way you are able. It's not 100%, 200% safest job opportunity can be created. Very easy, people. Market competition, very easy to get job, and any department, any degree, pakka you are able to enter the job. And the work nature is like a minimal coding, and you'll be having a little bit of coding. Minimal coding will be there. Profile building is like learn the security stuffs and learn the technology as much as you can settle. For 100%, I'm telling you, 200% you'll get job. And you can contact via this number to me and talk to me. I'm ready to guide you. Treat me as a brother. Whether you're going to study to me or not, no problem. Relax, man. At least get guidance from your brother. I'm ready to help you without any expectation. Okay, many people, they used to ask me a question, sir, I need a career change, sir. I got a career break, sir. I got arrears, sir. I didn't finish my degree, sir. Relax, man. You can go for job. Very simple. You can go for internship. You may ask me, what is internship, sir? Internship is like, so learning the technology, projecting your profile, learning the technology, projecting your profile, building your profile, do some projects, do some research, and gain experience. Go for job. So internship is a shortcut to go for a job, or you can make it as a course also. And Kashif Infotech, our company, we are providing the internships via online and also offline. Any people can do this internship, any degree, anyone can do it, any age. You may ask me a question, in cybersecurity, what I need to learn, sir? Just go to kashivinfo.com, cyber security training in Chennai. Just scroll down to the bottom. You are able to see the list of contents, what you must learn. You must build your profile. So start learning this one, build your profile, you will be winning the game. Okay, so kashivinfo.com/cyber security training in Chennai. So this is the URL you need to go. So let's move on to the technology now. Once again, firewall is nothing but accepting the genuine data, and if it is a problematic data, block it or remove it. That is the scope of a firewall. So if you talk about the firewall, firewall is nothing but, as I told you, I can secure my computer, sir. I can secure the network, sir. Whether you want to secure the computer or the network, tell me, man. So if you want to secure the computer, that is called as software based firewall. I want to secure the network, sir. That is called as hardware based firewall. So blocking the malicious website, the in and out of the traffic to computer or the network is called as firewall. I got a small computer, a network, small network. I got a small network, sure. Yeah, it is connected to the switches here. It is a network. It is connected to the switches. Every computers will have the firewall like this. so that the in and out of the computer should be secured, should be safe. Unwanted stuff should not enter and should not go out. That is your firewall based, software based firewall works. Sir, not only the computer, sir. I got this server. Array server is a big computer, man. Come on. So even a computer or the server, the firewall will secure you. Okay, your firewall will secure you. That's coming under the software based firewall. Now my network has become bigger, sir. I got the internet connectivity connecting another network, sir. So we need a modem or router here. Okay, so providing a program, a firewall program over here in the router part or network devices, that is called as hardware based firewall. Now you got the hardware based firewall. Okay, so you got two classification as I told you, the software based and the hardware based. So functionality wise, sir, what this firewall is doing, let's have the functionality wise classification, sir. Let's talk about the functionality wise firewall classification. So if we talk about the functionality wise firewall classification, we got the network address translation firewall, packet filtering firewall, stateful inspection firewall, you got the stateful multi-layer inspection firewall, you got the proxy firewall, and the final one is next generation firewall. So these are the different types of firewalls available. So we are going to discuss on this different types of firewalls. The first one is packet filtering firewall. Packet filtering in the sense that guy can give data or not, this guy should not give, this guy can permit. So based on the access list, whether the user can send the data, not allowed, the firewall block, this user is permitted, allowed, now the data is going on. This is called as access list. So permitting the data based on the user, that is called as packet firewall. Let's talk about the packet monitoring firewall. It's a stateful inspection firewall, monitoring the website and checking out the possibility of the website, whether it's genuine or not. Monitor the activity of the connection, whether it is getting close or not, whether it is breaking or not, everything inspection, the state of my computer. My website, my computer is hanging, man, something is problem. My website is hanging, man, something is problem. So monitoring the like a state is called a stateful inspection firewall. The third part is stateful multi-layer inspection firewall. So what is this multi-layer, sir? Multi-layer in the sense like we'll be having the segregation. That is called as a stateful multi-layer inspection firewall. You are able to see if it is a clean traffic, yes, pass it. Unwanted firewall, malicious intrusion prevention system, intrusion detection system, prevention system, viruses, let's have an antivirus, step by step filtering. That is called as stateful multi-layer inspection firewall. If you learn these things, if you are able to program these things, you are the great specialist people. So start learning this one, or just talk to me. I'm ready to guide you. What is this proxy firewall, man? You can't touch me. You can't touch me via another person. So in between these two people, there is another person. That is called as proxy. So this is a source and this is a destination. Directly this guy can't touch. There will be proxy in the mid. Proxy will send it. And proxy will send it back. So in the mid you will have the proxy here. Directly you should not touch here. So you don't know who is the person. You can't damage this person. That's how they will have a proxy firewall. And the final one is like the fifth one is next generation firewall. Next generation firewall is much more advanced firewall. Over here, not only the packets, what is there inside the packet, man? Let's filter it. This is used by Google Play Store. If you are uploading an APK, it will check the internal part of the APK also. So you are able to see once the data is there, the data filter, check it out. Paka, good, accepted. Filter, check it out. Yes, paka, yes, accepted. Not only the packets, the data inside the packet, the code inside the packet is verified. that is called as next generation firewall. And the final one is network address translation firewall. This is the final one. So this will have the NAT, network address translation, a table kind of, you are able to see this is the destination. Only this guy knows what is the exact IP address to translate. The destination is not known. The firewall will take care of checking out whether everything is good or not. Okay, so everything is planned. That is called as network address translation firewall. This is how the functionality of firewalls will be. So hope you enjoy my video. Here is my part 3 video, like what we are going to see in part 3. So we are going to see part 3 like a file monitoring, web monitoring, and network monitoring things. And part 4 we got lots of areas to cover, and we got something in part 5 also. These are the areas we are going to cover in part 5. We got almost 10 videos I'm planning on cyber security. Enjoy my videos and learn as much as you can. So until then, just I want to give an update about our company, Kashiv Infotech. Our company, Kashiv Infotech, we are guiding the students towards career, what degree you must learn, what job, how to get into the job, providing internships, in-plan training, mini projects, final projects, software development, and website creation. So these are the areas we are focusing, and you can contact me anytime, send me a message. I'm looking for a message from you people. Whatever doubts you got, treat me as a brother, contact me at anytime. Kashiv underscore Infotech. Click this follow button, contact me at anytime. And here is my internships we are providing, our programs. We are providing online internship and courses and direct internship at my Chennai office. Only in Chennai I got my office. You can come down to Chennai to see me. I request you people to share this particular program to your friends and everyone at this videos, so that let's transform the society. And if any of you people see up to this particular time, please post it in the comment. I'll be really happy to see that my video have seen by someone until the end. So until then, this is Venkat signing off from Wikitikin Kashiv. Thank you. Jai Hind.